representing Team Tambuhan, Jason Luna.
Okay. Round 1. Okay. Mau pa ini kay ko na ni open na ini open.
Yan terus.
Okay. Ini siya nga Jim. Look.
Blue Colonial trading at L Symphony Boxing Gym.
Okay.
Representing Mandaluyong City. Mau kayo represent Agatasin Bakusuga palakpakan ang ating manila. Second main event.
There we go. The double main event of tonight's
Boxes matchup is a full round of 2.5 minutes.
Okay, let's find out. Wow, iba ang dalawa ng ano. Iba ang
Yan ang talaga ng long night and professional boxer.
We have previous records. May mga records na sila dati pa man.
Bomba, nice. Iya kaisa. Alam pala sila, hindi?
Okay. Mukhang si Flo nagiging aggressive. Pero may advantage si El Tecni kasi medyo mataas siya ng konti. Sulit. Pero, grabe yung attack ni Flo. It's like a chopper. There are so many directions of iyang fights.
Good punches. That was a good hit.
What a punch. A left punch from the blue. That was super from El Tecni. I told you that's a great job.
Nagpapamalas itong si Mr. Jason Luna.
So may timing si El Tecni rin ko.
Iba na partner yung
He has that secret power. Tossing daw, tossing. Spectators natin. Right upper up. Oh!
good punch.
Si upper cut. Magaling yung upper cut ni Flo ah.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Violet corner in the flow.
Ganda ng mga footwork partner. Parang mga professional boxer na ito. Ayun.
According to referee. Okay, go. Mahilig sa uppercut si Flo. Mahilig. Which is tama naman yung ano. Pero hindi siya masyadong makatama.
Pero maganda naman yung footwork.
Corner ang corner ng Flo. Attacking si Rick.
Measuring each other's strength for this round between the two warriors.
Stop!
Oh, laser. Ay, kami na sa laser. Kay mga kwarto. So. Okay. Uy! He was keep on punching the air. Oh! Humina ng konti.
Keep on looking good combination. Do it.
Okay, let's go. 23. Attacking. Oh. The blue is countering a punch.
That was a good combination from El Tigre.
A couple of punch, pero hindi masyado, hindi masyado powerful.
That was a good right punch. El Tigre had the face of her opponent.
Take.
Stop.
Break. Solid punch by Enrico.
Tries as a row. That was a body hit from Luna. Oh, from Buchanan. Exchanging of punches between the two warriors for this round.
Mataas. Mas mataas kasi si El Tigre. Mas mahaba yung
range.
Niya, yung range ng kamay niya.
Good hit. Another good hit from El Tigre. And able to cover.
Last 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Okay. Nice round for that match up.
That's 4 rounds. Tingnan natin yung mga punch ni Enrico kung manatili. He was a...
Oh, that was a good exchanging of punches. Oh, that's uppercut.
A great punch from the blue. Okay, go. Oh,
Galing umilag.
nakailang.
Oh, that was a good uppercut from Jason Luna. The blue.
Mapinilang kita. Nadarak.
Okay, ipamalas na ninyo ang inyong galing sa pagsuntok sa 1 minuto.
Uy!
Ayun. Good attack. That was a good hit to the face of the opponent from
Great punch from
Enrico.
El Tigre. Medyo nakatama siya doon. Nakatama siya doon sa moment na yan. Tumama yung right punch niya. Carrillo. Stop. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Nice.